Hi, this is Andy Bryce of Easy Data Transform, and I'm going to show you how you can easily calculate a moving average. So here we have 5 years of Tesla stock data. And we want to calculate the 5-day moving average of the close price. So let's select the moving transform, and we want to average the close price using the average or arithmetic mean over 5 days. And so for each row it gives us the mean of the close price for that and the 4 previous days. Because of the 5-day interval, we don't have any data for these first 4 rows here, but we can tell Easy Data Transform to do the best it can with the data it has. If instead of calculating from today and the 4 previous days, we wanted to calculate today, the 2 previous and the 2 next days, then we can use the offset. So there'll be an offset of -2. As well as calculating the average, we can also calculate median, sum, minimum or maximum. Once you're happy with your data, you can output it. We can output in a wide range of formats. Let's output as an Excel file. And let's save this transform file in case we want to use it again. Obviously this is a very simple transform file, but there are a large number of transforms to choose from, and you can create complex series of transformations. Also, this is a small example, but Easy Data Transform can easily handle millions of rows. Easy Data Transform is available for Windows and Mac. You can download a fully functional free trial from our website. It only takes a few seconds and you don't even have to give us your email address.